Montfort has always been known for its pursuit of academic excellence, discipline, and achievements in various fields such as debate, drawing, singing, sports, and many more.
Montfortians have reached great milestone in their past, and we are confident we continue to shine in the same way in the future. This has been only possible because of the guidance, dedication, and vision of our beloved teacher, led by our principal, Father Almnas Barua.
On 5th September, Teachers' Day, we express our love and gratitude to our teachers. This year, we do it in a very special way with this presentation in their honor.
We hope this presentation serves as a heartfelt token of our appreciation for all our dear teachers. Please sit back and enjoy the presentation.
Why is Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September every year?
Because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, a great leader and President of India.
To honor teachers who guide us in life.
Because teachers are like our second parents, and this day is to thank them. As tribute of teacher in shaping the students in future.
What is one quality you admire most in your teacher?
Their kindness and care for every student.
The ability to explain their lesson clearly.
Their encouragement that gives us confidence.
How can students show respect and gratitude to their teachers every day?
By listening carefully in class. By doing homework on time.
By greeting teacher respectfully.
Do you love your teacher? Why?
Yes, because they always support and motivate us.
Yes, because they correct our mistakes with love.
Yes, because they care for every student equally.
What are some gestures or actions of teachers that you love the most?
When they appreciate our small achievements.
When they treat us with love and respect.
Teachers are the guiding lights of our life who inspire us, shape our future, and teach us the true values of life. On the special occasion of Teachers' Day, we would like to thank all of our teachers for their tireless and selfless efforts for us, for their patience and love for us. May we, as students, always make them feel proud through our actions and achievements.
On behalf of all Montfortians, we wish our dear principal and all our respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.